Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sweat. We back with another POV, man. And today, just like a POV I've posted in the past, I am late for class again. It's 1:23 currently. I'm supposed to be in class at 1:30. So y'all know what that means. We gotta do a little something to get to class. We're gonna be a little late. Ain't nothing too crazy, but why not get this content for y'all? But hey man, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I hope y'all do enjoy these POVs I am posting. My plan is to do a week's worth of POVs for y'all. So yeah man, I'm gonna try to go a week straight posting straight videos for y'all. We're gonna see how well I do. You know, I gotta still make sure all the content is quality for y'all, because I don't want to post shitty content. So besides that, hope y'all enjoy. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Sweat. I appreciate all the support I have been receiving lately. And once we get on this highway, we getting straight to business. Oh my God, there's traffic. Yo, what we waiting on? Go. Go. Free meat. Free meat. Oh man. Y'all not making this no better for me. Oh wow. Ah man. Oh, I see what is that? Is that a 240? Or I think that's a 240 over there. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. But yeah, I think it's a 240. Ah, damn. I could have made that if I was paying attention. Fuck. Oh, I'ma make it on this dumbass though. For sure. Thank you. Ooh, baby. Yes, ready to get on the highway, baby. Yes, sir. Hey, man, y'all let me know. What do y'all like better during a POV? Like, do y'all want POVs where I do some talking and driving, or do you want like just straight raw car as I drive? Like, would y'all rather I give y'all some motivation? Like, who would y'all like to see? Like, comment that down below, because there's motivational stuff I can say during the POVs. I just haven't. Like, yeah. But y'all comment down below. Let me hear y'all's opinions, because, you know, I like to know what I could do better, or what I could, you know, expand on to build my channel and to also build better content for you guys. But right now we're about to get on the highway and head south, and we will start dancing. It doesn't look like too much traffic on the highway today, so shouldn't be too bad to get through, hopefully. Dang, all types of shit in this car, just flying around. Ooh, baby. What is that? That Honda look crazy. What the fuck? Let's see if I can get up on it in a second. Y'all see this Honda? Shit kind of tough.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Y'all could let me through, man. Come on now. Y'all bullshitting me. Now I'm just jumping from the Honda. Sorry, little buddy. Real G coming through. I got places to be, teachers to see. Come on. If I get one little gap, I'm getting through that shit bad. I'm not seeing no gaps for myself, man. Damn. I love driving. Like, it's just so fun. the left lane for what, bro? Move, bitch. It's a real driver coming through. Try and get to school. God dang. People suck. Ooh, I was for sure about to go through that gap. Oh, I fucked up. No, I didn't. No, I did, because I'm just go back through. Oh, baby. You gotta love.
Watch out,
oh
vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Bro, I gotta turn that shit down. That shit loud as hell. God damn. Yeah, we getting through this pretty smooth. I'm not even gonna cap. I'm gonna be honest, I always forget which side of the campus this class is on. That's what makes me late for this class every time too. Dang. Oh man. The struggles of a college student. God smooth little quick drive, nothing too crazy. We ain't made it to the school yet, but you know, quick little drive, nothing too outrageous. Highway was pretty smooth, didn't take too many. I didn't really take any crazy cuts for real, in my opinion. So I feel like that was a smooth little highway session for me. I ain't gonna lie, this Jeep got some wide ass tires. God damn. Yeah, damn, shouty. Damn. Bro, I swear. Whew, baby. God dang. God dang. Hey, if you made it this far in the video, comment down, goddamn, sweat gang. You know what I'm saying? Sweat gang in the comments if you made it this far in the video. God damn. Bro, I need front mount intakes. I can't hear them. This shit is dirt. I want to hear my damn turbo. Badly. Why are you hitting the brakes, sir, in the middle of the road? What the hell? It's that dumb shit I be talking about. Drivers in the state suck. Whew, boy, that jump. I don't know if y'all can hear that damn turbo whistle, but oh my god. I love it so much. So much. Alright, 132. We're not too far out from the school. And we're not too late. So I'll take it. Nice little RS. I think that's a RS. Yeah, definitely think. Yeah, it's definitely a RS. I don't hear anything. Definitely don't hear anything from it. But yeah, man. As y'all can see, we've now made it off the highway. We are on the main road. Oh, matter of fact, while I'm thinking about it, y'all comment down below. y'all see any differences in the quality? I bought a new SD card, and the day I put it in to make a POV for y'all, when I went to go get it, because I had to go very far, my camera died middle of the clip, so I lost the footage. So y'all comment down below if the quality looks any different from how it did before. If not, I still gotta play with the settings for this GoPro. If it does, amazing. I don't have to do anything. But y'all comment down below if you see differences in the quality. Boy. Like, you can hear the turbo a little bit in here, but I definitely need front mount intakes. Once I find me a shop to get it done for me, because I don't want to do it myself, I will definitely get that video out for you guys. There's so much we're gonna get done to this car between this summer and, you know, beginning of 2026. So y'all just stay tuned for those videos. I've already been asked in the comments a few times on different videos, like, am I gonna mod it? Am I gonna keep it stock? Am I gonna tune it? Like, just stay tuned. Y'all will see major changes coming for this car, this channel, all types of stuff. Ooh, is that a C6? I didn't even look to see what kind of Corvette that was. Oh, it's a soft top though. That shit ass. I'm sorry for anybody who likes soft tops. I'm sorry, but I just do not like soft tops, drop tops, whatever the hell you call it. That shit is lame as fuck. It's the dumbest thing I think they've ever done to a car, for real. But as y'all can see, I have literally no one in front of me, so I got a smooth little ride now to campus. Nothing crazy at all, besides this stupid ass yellow light. Oh man. Let's see if I can get a launch for y'all. I'ma try. Oh, come on. Baby, I ain't gonna lie, I really almost forgot to shift just now. Like, my brain thought about it last second. That was kind of crazy. My brain, and there was a cop sitting right there at the fire station to my left, and there's a cop right here in front of me. Boy, I gotta chill. That was hey man, y'all let me know how that was. I feel like I'm getting better with my launches. I could definitely feel a lag though. Like, I don't know if that's just like a beamer thing or what, but there's a lag when I launch. It's kind of like it stutters, then it goes. Which, I mean, I get it, but I'm not really a big fan of it. Not really a big fan. Oh man, if I get hit with another red light, yo, this is getting outrageous, buddy. God dog. Well, that lady look like she having a bad day. Oh man. But yeah, so as you guys can see, if you have watched previous videos of mine, I am close to my school. And for those of you who may be wondering, like, oh, you're in school, what do you do? I'm in school for exercise science. I like fitness, I like health, like anything that goes with, you know, taking care of your body. So that is what I study. But I also have a very strong passion for cars, so hence the reason I make these videos. So yeah, man, if they had a program at my school where I could just sit here and play with my car all day, I would definitely be in that. But I started, you know, exercise science, and I fell in love with that. Man, I fell in love with that a while ago, but yeah, it is what it is, man. But We have now made it to the campus. Finally, we are not that late, but we are late. Oh man. I hope I can find a parking spot in this lot because I don't want to park in the dirt. Oh, I see spots. I see spots. I see spots. I see spots, but I don't want to park right here. Let's see. A nice little, what is this, C5 or C6? I don't even know. I'm not very like good with vets for real. Like, I know what I want in a vet, but I don't know like specific like specs of vets for real. Like, all I can really tell you is like the C7s, C8s. I can tell you some C6s if I see them, but not all at all. But yeah, man, we've made it to campus. Oh, and we found a parking spot. Yes, sir. Front and center. This is perfect. Makes my walk way shorter if I get to park in this lot. Yes, sir. Oh, man. And just like that, we are on campus. Hey man, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for tuning in to these videos I have been dropping. I'm trying to be consistent for you guys for a week straight and see if I can keep it going past that week. But I do appreciate all the support, all the love I've been receiving. You know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Show some love to the BIM for me. And with that being said, appreciate y'all. Peace.